Hey Internet, hi, welcome to another episode of the John Graves Show. This one is the definition of bizarre because of Rohan Kishibe, and I swear this dude is pretty much a little bit worse than Red Hot Chili Pepper, and is sort of a little bit like Mariah, or at least for his stand anyway. Because of course this guy is a manga artist, and of course he makes that super cool manga that Koichi and Hazamada likes. You know, the guy who has Surface, the little short dude who pretty much like just badmouths people and tries to cut people. You know, him. So pretty much like him and Koichi bond over this one manga that they like, and pretty much of course the story is that they want to visit the manga artist. And to be fair, Rohan has the craziest kind of stand ever, to whereas that even though he may be a prodigy, or at least like he may be a beast when it comes to pretty much creating his own manga, like it takes him 4 days to write 17 pages, draw them out, get them all finished a fifth day if it needs to be colored, and he can get all that done on his own. And he's been doing that ever since he was 16. He's 20 now. The guy is amazing. The weird part comes in the likelihood of his stand, and his stand, I believe it's Heaven's Door. The only way how that it can actually affect you is if you read his manga. And if you read his manga, he can actually he can read your entire life which I believe that your body becomes like some type of book-like thing or something like that. He can read your entire life, and he uses this to learn everything from Koichi about stands, about Josuke's Crazy Diamond, the hand, star, platinum, everything. He learns everything that Koichi knows, and at this point we learned that Hazamada is a mini baby Angelo from the first episode, because that guy is fucking crazy. But honestly, the craziest part about this is that this isn't even like the funny part when it boils right down to him being a very crazy kind of guy. Him as a manga artist, him as a story writer, a manga artist, and everything else, he has a very crazy, sorry about that, it's 4th of July fireworks still going on. He has a very crazy interpretation upon how people should actually grow as writers and manga artists, and that is he needs to understand the reality. And of course, I do kind of understand him for like a very small part of that, of saying you need to experience it, you need to understand it, you need to know it. I get that, but when he caught a spider and said, "Yeah, okay, I need to know." From watching this spider, I need to know what kind of breed and what kind of thing that is. Okay, cool. But when he killed the spider and started licking on the spider to say that he needs to know the taste, and he needs to know like which web like comes out from which piece, that's when it got really weird. And it got really odd too, because he started tearing pages from out of Koichi's body and started like manipulating like the way how he thinks and everything, which at this point is really scary, because at this point, like, it's a person who that once he uses this, and like he wrote on Koichi that he couldn't hurt him, and because of that, no matter how much he tried to use his stand, he couldn't hurt him like at all. So you think about that, and it's like, what is the best way to fight a person who that you can't even hit, and they just have you ensnared? There's nothing. You're just stuck. So. And the worst part about this is, though, is that like he tore so many pages off of Koichi to where that he lost 20 pounds. It's like, is he gonna keep on doing this until there's nothing left of him? That's some scary junk. But until then, that is what I gotta say about that. Please tell me what you think about this down there in the comment section. I'll catch you on the next John Graves Show. Please keep watching anime, keep playing video games. I'm out.